UTECH Knights are the champions of the Intercollegiate Division 1 basketball competition after beating GC Foster College 69-58 at the stadium courts on Thursday night. Derjean Royal once again led the charge for UTECH, delivering a commanding performance with 19 points and 11 rebounds. Rookie standout Jaquain Freeman made a major impact in the championship game, scoring 17 points in a poised and confident display that earned him the MVP award. Jahidi Campbell also played a crucial role in the victory, registering an impressive double-double, 18 points and 11 rebounds. Captain of UTECH, Tajay Dickens, said they were determined to shake off their disappointment of finishing runners-up last season.
I would say that last season we made it to the finals, but except got the best of us, and it left a bitter taste in our mouths. So when we look back at that, and then coming into this season, we had a mission that we are going to accomplish this, and we did so.
Royal said UTECH benefited significantly from having all their players available.
Last season, we saw a lot of injuries coming down to the end of the season, and so that affected our performance and our chance of winning the championship. But this season, through all the fights, all the battles, all the trials and tribulations we've been through, we made it all to the end of the season, no injured players, and we dominated and we got the win and came out with the championship.